Welcome back, friends. In today's video, we'll be diving into a helpful Facebook tutorial on how to hide your followers on your timeline using your PC. So, let's jump right in. Step 1. Open Facebook. Step 2. Click on your profile photo located at the top left corner of your screen. Step 3. Now, click on Settings and Privacy. Located at the top right corner of the page, a drop-down menu will appear. Step 4. In the drop-down menu, find and click on Settings. This will open the General Settings page. Step 5. Next, look for Followers and Public Content in the left-hand column and click on it. This will take you to the specific settings for your followers. Step 6. On the Who Can See Your Followers. On your timeline section, you'll see a button. Click on it. Step 7. Finally, select Only Me from the options available. This will ensure that only you can see your followers on your timeline. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can now successfully hide your followers on your timeline in Facebook on your PC. That's all for today, folks. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more useful content. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care.